Wow, that was really fun.
Yeah? What you guys talking about?
You ever heard about it?
No?
You ever heard about Blizzard Mermaid World?
What's Blizzard Mermaid World?
Well, it's this world where mermaids and those snow globes and the winter come together.
Really?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah, there's ninjas as security guards, so I wouldn't misbehave.
What if you do?
Well, you might as well be turned into a mermaid.
That's really amazing, I think.
Yeah. They also have this really cool roller coaster and a ninja dunk tank.
Really? Do they have any restaurants?
Yeah, they have Fuji's.
I think I'll stop by there.
There's also a button in the hotel where you go underwater.
What about any souvenir shops?
They have a souvenir shop and it sells snow globes.
I think I'll stop by.
Yeah. Blizzard Mermaid World, the place to go when you're feeling low.
She ruined it.